Tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. वितर्क बाधने प्रतिपक्ष भावनाम. Doubt or conjecture or supposition bring affect opposite feeling. Doubtful disturbance developing while obeying self-control and lawful discipline. It should be countered with opposites. To be violent or not is the doubt. No, non-violence is a conjecture. While the following non-violence, if violence accidentally appears imminent, drive an emotion of pity and compassion. When truth appearing gets perverted, then develop disgust for a lie. This is the way to treat the doubt or conjecture and stabilize the follow-up of event. वितर्का हिंसादयः कृतकारितानुमोदिता लोभ क्रोध मोह पूर्वका मृदु मध्यादिता मात्रा दुख ज्ञानानंत फला इति प्रतिपक्ष भावनाम. Conjecture, violence, etc. from self or others or justification due to greed, anger and infatuation. They are small, medium and sharp opposite feelings. The following of yama niyama are sabotaged through the conjecture by self, through others or through justifications. This is due to greed, anger and infatuation. The intensity of sabotage is soft, medium and fierce. They should be averted with opposites and be protected from disturbance. Ahimsa pratisthayam tatsat chinno vairatagaha. When non-violence is established and becomes a property of mind, the enmity with entire living beings gets vanished, bringing attachment and affection. Satya pratisthayam kriya phalashrayatvam. Satya, truth, pratisthayam kriya phal ashrayatvam. When truth is established and truth becomes the property of mind, the results are true and permanent. The veracious has a powerful tongue and his speech can invert a lie. It can give results and his prophecy comes true. Astheya pratisthayam sarvaratnopsthanam. Astheya, non-stealing. Pratisthayam, established. Sarvaratna, all gems. Upasthanam, gain. When non-stealing is established and becomes the property of mind, receives best wealth from the world. The conspicuous and non-stealer is the richest in the world. He who does not follow wealth follows him. Non-stealing of wealth, woman, land, credit, food, water is astheya. He is always rewarded.